Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FCEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Done this analysis several times this past week, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, another rough day, and what I'm going to do is just some house cleaning, get rid of that line. Sure, that level still pertains. It's just not relevant right now from a presentation standpoint. I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So as far as levels of resistance are concerned, though, the newest area of resistance, and this is just based on a foundational rule in technical analysis, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance, and that's what we have right here at that purple line. This is the very famous 200 period moving average, and this morning with the gap down, the price closed down below there. You can see there was a nice little bounce here, but this is a good example of that rule playing out. So it was a level of support, but then ultimately got rejected right back there as resistance. So in the very near term now, going into next week, 71 cents going to be that first key level of resistance. If the price can push up through there, then you'd want to immediately turn your attention to that purple line right there, the 50 period moving average, and that's valued at 74 cents. But like I said, before you even focus on at all on the purple line there, the 50 period moving average, price first needs to get up above that 200 period moving average at 71 cents. What about levels of support? Well, the current level of support, which the price is doing a good job of just hanging right around here, is at 68 cents. So 68 cents, definitely that very preferable area of support for no other reason other than, well, if this is the bottom, well, then you want to see this finally be the bottom, and you don't want to see the price continue to separate any further. But in the event the price does break down through that 68 cent mark, next key overarching area of support at that point would be down there at 64. So 68, 64, next couple levels of support going into next week. But yeah, overall, definitely a bearish drift to things. You look at the highs, and these highs just keep getting lower and lower and lower and lower. So it's about time for the bulls to kind of level things out and start to work its way, back up. Not that it's got to explode up above $1, but at least start to, put in some higher highs here. So we'll see what next week brings. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.